Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Book of Meme. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Book of Meme broke out a symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame chart, and after that, it formed another rising wedge pattern. And this was my last video, by the way. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that the movement is getting squeezed inside this rising wedge pattern. You can see that from here, from 13th of April 2024, it was entered inside this wedge. We got rejection here, bounce here, and few more rejections here. By the way, here we had a long spike, but the price could not break out this resistance of 1.25 cents that was previously working as support, and now it is flipped. It was flipped into a strong resistance. We got stable rejections by this resistance, and we got few more rejections by the resistance of this wedge here, 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 and here as well. And here we have stable touch points or bounces from the support as well. And now the movement, you can see that it's quite squeezed inside this rising wedge pattern. By the way, the support of the wedge is same that was breaking as a support of the previous triangle as well. You can see that previously it was breaking as a support of this symmetrical triangle, and now it is breaking as a support of this rising wedge pattern as well. By the way, this time it will be very, very difficult for the price line to break down the support of the wedge, despite this is a bearish bias pattern, but you can see that we have so many supports to be broken down in order to break down the support of this wedge. First, we will need to break down the support of this EMA 50, the exponential moving average 50, that is moving exactly at this long-term support of 1.25 cents. That was previously breaking as support here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and now for the past several days, it is breaking as support. And after breaking down these two supports, the price line will need to break down the support of this rising wedge pattern. You can see that it is now quite squeezed. Now, recently, the price line is again getting bound from the support of the wedge. And this time, by the way, the resistance of the wedge will be somewhere here, approximately at 1.67 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Book of Meme that I shared a few days ago on 20th of May 2024 with my members. And this move produced almost 50% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Book of Meme that I shared a few days ago on 20th of May 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Book of Meme was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. You can see it was about to enter the buying zone. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down and entered the buying zone. Then we had a very, very massive reversal here. You can see that it was entered the buying zone here. And then we had a very, very massive reversal and it pumped almost 48%, between 48 to 50%. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that Book of Meme formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line nicely moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 12% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Book of Meme, and this is the daily time frame chart, and you can see that previously for several days it had been moving inside this previous symmetrical triangle. This was the resistance and this was the support, and after getting squeezed inside this triangle, finally we broke out the resistance, and now recently we have found another support and resistance. In fact, when it was moving inside this previous symmetrical triangle, we found the support and resistance of this rising wedge pattern as well. You can see we got rejection here, bounce here, rejection here, bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection. And here the price line could not hit the support, but again, we got rejection by the resistance. And this time the price line is again bounced very well from the support. In fact, it is still moving very close to this support. And over here, we have, by the way, 3 support levels. That is this one, first one, that is at 1.25 cents. That was previously breaking as support here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. And now for the past stable date is working as a support. And we also have the support of this red line, that is the exponential moving average 50 on the daily time frame chart. Previously, you can see that for a stable date, it had been working as a resistance since it was appeared here on 4th of May 2024 up till here, up till 20th of May 2024, it had been breaking as a resistance. And now after the breakout, it is flipped into a nice support. You can see we had tested the support here. And now if the price then will be moved more down. In fact, we have recently almost tested the support here, not here, but if it will be slightly move more down, then it can test its support once again. Therefore, despite this, the very fast pattern, therefore, it will be really difficult for the price and to break down the support. However, in case of breaking down the support of this rising wedge pattern, the price line can move here at the bottom of the bed. That will be the target for the breakdown for this from this rising wedge pattern. That will be approximately at $0.0078. And if the price line breaks out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, that target will be, by the way, here. If the price line will be able to break it out from here, then target can be here. That will be approximately at 2.2 cents. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this symmetrical triangle, that move is still due. And you can see that the price has so far rallied from this low to here. You can see that it rallied more than 124%, but still a very big move due. That is the target for the breakout from this triangle. And that target can be, by the way, here. We broke out the triangle, by the way, from here. And that target can be approximately at 2.6 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the videos description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.